Hello everyone. So today we will learn about the decision making statements in Python. Decision making is a conditional based statements while execution of program and action taken according to the condition or based on the conditions. Decision makings evaluate multiple expressions which produce true or false as a result. We need to determine which action to take and which statement to execute if result is true or false. So now we will see the different types of if statement in Python. So first we will see if else statement. The if else statement is used to create programs that can make a decision. So let's start with if statement first. If statement, the syntax of if statement is, you can see in this picture, first keyword is if and then the Boolean expression. The if statement evaluate the Boolean expressions. If the Boolean expression evaluates to true, the body of if statement is executed. If the Boolean expression evaluated to false, the body of if statement is skipped. In Python, indentation is used to define a block of code, so the body of if statement is also determined through indentation. So in this statement, if it will check the Boolean expression, if it is true, the statement will execute. Now we will see one example based on if statement. Let's start with a simple example. So here you can see number equal to 5. If number greater than 0, then double colon. This is the syntax. According to the syntax you will write, and then print number is positive, else there is no else part. So if number greater than 0, then the print statement will execute. So here number greater than 0 evaluate to true because 5 greater than 0 is true. Hence the body of if statement print number is positive is executed. The statement print this is always executed is outside the body of if statement, hence it is always executed. Second example of if statement, you can see here number equal to -1, and if number greater than 0, print number is positive, and then the other statement which is out of the body of if statement print this is always executed. So here number greater than 0 evaluate to false because -1 greater than 0 is false. Hence the body of the if statement print number is positive is not executed. The statement print this is always executed is outside the body of if statement, so it is always executed. How if statement works? So when the Boolean expression is true, so you can see here number equal to 5. So first it will check if number greater than 0, then it is true, then the print statement will execute. In second, when the Boolean expression is false, in number equal to -1, if number greater than 0, no, it is false, so it will goes out of the body of if statement and the next statement will execute. So the next statement after the body of if is print, this is always executed, will print. Now we will see the if else statement. The if statement can have an optional else clause. So the syntax of if else is if Boolean expression and then statements, else statements. So how if else works? The program evaluates the Boolean expressions. If the Boolean expression evaluates to true, the body of if statement is executed. If the Boolean expression evaluate to false, the body of else statement is executed. Let's see example of if else statement. Here in this example, the variable number equal to 3 if number greater than 0, then two print statement will executed, and then the next else, and then after else then two next print statement will executed. Here the output is positive or 0, and the body of if is executed. Here the boolean expression number greater than 0 evaluates to true, hence the body of if is executed. Let's try another example next where boolean expression evaluate to false. Here in this example, number equal to number equal to -5. So if number greater than 0, then next two print statement will executed, else next two print statement will executed. So the output of this program is the else print statement, negative number, and the body of else is executed. So here the boolean expression number greater than equal to 0 evaluates to false. That's why the body of else is executed. How if else works? So in this picture you can see when the boolean expression is true, then it will check the condition number greater than 0. Yes, it is true. So that after the if statement, the body of the if statement will execute it. When the boolean expression is false, so the else part will execute it. As you can see in the picture, the else print negative number and print the body of else is executed.